Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I want to come on and do kind of an unboxing of a product that has been on Instagram and people have been raving about it. So I kind of want to come on and try it out. So it's the Wunder Egg. I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but it's a plant-based egg. So we're going to try that out, and we're going to do avocado toast. I said a while ago that I would show you my recipe for avocado toast. So this avocado toast isn't going to be kind of like my normal. I'm going to scale it back just a little. I put a lot of different items on my toast. I usually use red onions, a slice of tomatoes. But because we're using the egg, we're going to kind of scale it back just a little bit and not have so many things on it, because I do want to taste the egg and see how it is on the avocado toast. So this is the product, the Wunder Egg. And again, like I said, it's plant-based and it's hard-boiled. There's 6 pieces in here. So the ingredients in the egg is water, almond, cashews, coconut milk, yeast, potato protein, so small, conjar, I don't know what that is. I need to look that up. Rosemary extract, turmeric. So, yeah, I mean, the ingredients look like they're pretty simple. There's nothing that would be like kind of a red flag. This is the back of the container with the co-founder. I hope you guys can see that. Sometimes my light shines and it just kind of washes out whatever I'm trying to show you guys. So let me show you guys what's in it. And it comes with a soft pack. So these are the eggs right here. And that's the back of the container. So again, there's like 6 pieces. And so yeah, we're gonna try this on the avocado toast. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, and this is black salt, if you guys were wondering. And I hear that black salt tastes like eggs. I've never had black salt before, so this is going to be a first for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get set up and go ahead and do the recipe for the avocado toast. I usually use the Ezekiel bread. I got really fancy this time, and so I went ahead and got the Trader Joe's vegan brioche loaf. So this is it right here. I actually tried a piece the other day and it was really good. The bread is really thick. I don't know if you can see. The slices are really thick. But yeah, it was really good. So let's get started on our avocado toast. So guys, for this recipe again, we're going to use the vegan brioche bread. I don't know if you guys can see that. The vegan brioche bread. And we're going to use 2 slices. We're going to use 1 large avocado. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I usually use lemons. I don't usually use the lemon juice in the bottle, but you know, I'm going to use it today. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of the 365 Whole Foods Market extra virgin olive oil. We're going to use sea salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. The recipe will be in the description box. Sometimes I do use, if I can find it, the everything but the bagel Trader Joe's seasoning blend. We're going to get started. So we're going to use this large avocado. So I kind of like large chunks of avocado. I'll mash it just a little bit. And I do have a avocado, I don't even know what you call it, avocado thingy? I don't even know, guys. But it gets the avocado out. And, you know, I don't even know how, I haven't even used it, honestly. I was about to say, I don't even know how many times I've used it. But I don't think I've actually used it at all. I bought it. I was like, oh, this is, you know, this would be really handy. But I don't know. I just kind of like to cut it up myself. So this is my avocado here, and this is a really simple, super simple recipe for you guys. When I was still doing dairy, I used to use a little bit of sour cream in my avocado toast. Well, I would put it in the, I would put it in the avocado, and it turned out really good. But then, you know, I don't use dairy anymore, so I don't use I don't use sour cream anymore because I don't do dairy anymore. Now we're going to do 2 teaspoons of the olive oil. Do a little sea salt. A little black pepper. And the red pepper flakes. I like mine with a little bit more heat, so I get a little bit more heavy-handed. So I'm not going to mash this up too much because, like I said, I like it kind of chunky. Just get that all nice and mixed in. Okay, it's not as chunky as I usually like it, but I just wanted to show you guys me mixing it. And I usually use a little less olive oil. I don't necessarily like, you know, so much olive oil on it, or so much olive oil in it, but it's fine. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and put the brioche in, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna, you know, look at the eggs and chop them up and put it on our avocado toast. Okay guys, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of unbox the eggs. That sounds so funny. Unbox the eggs. And again, this is the black sauce. So I'm just gonna do two of the eggs. And I haven't had eggs in so long. But the consistency of these, oh my gosh, it feels like eggs. They don't smell like anything. I just smelled them. You guys can't see me. But I'm gonna put this one on the plate. And because I'm making two of the avocado toast, I'm gonna use 2 of the eggs. Oh wow. They just, I mean, they feel like eggs. So I'll go ahead and open up the salt and just sprinkle on. I don't want to get too heavy-handed with the salt because I do have 4 more pieces. Oh wow. As soon as I open the salt, it smelled exactly like egg smell. That's amazing. I've never had black salt before. I just want to sprinkle just a little. Okay. Oh, I think I kind of overdid it with that one. Here, I'll put a little bit on this one so it won't be too. Yeah, that was a lot. I hope. Gosh, it smells just like eggs. That's crazy. That is so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I just want to chop up the egg. Cause wow, it feels just like chopping up regular eggs. That's amazing. I want to sample one. Let's see. Oh my god, you guys, it tastes just like egg. I would like for you to see my face. Oh my gosh, I am so, man, it tastes just like egg. Wow, I'm floored. Seriously, I just wanted to wipe a little bit of the salt because I didn't know if it would just be too much. I mean, just the consistency. It's just like an egg. I'm sorry. I didn't yell it to the camera. I'm just shocked. Oh my god, I am shocked. Let me taste the yolk. Man, oh man, oh man. How did she do that? It tastes just like an egg. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I just took off some of the egg because I'm going to have someone else sample this avocado toast. And they can't sample it right away. So I'm just going to take half of the ingredients and put it on the toast. Just spread it on. I think I took too much. just spread it on. I was trying to be fair and making sure that my sampler will have, you know, enough also. And then I'm just going to take the eggs that I chopped up and kind of sprinkle it on. And like I said, this was just like a really simple. I wouldn't mind putting on like a few tomatoes. Also, but you know, just for the sake of being able to really taste the egg, and I've tasted it, so I mean, it's going to really be delicious. Alright guys, so I am going to come back and sample for you guys so you can see how I like it, and I'm going to get a little fruit salad, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I just want to come back on and show you a quick clip of the avocado toast and my fruit salads, kind of side by side. So this is what I'm going to have for my breakfast slash lunch, or just my first meal. So yeah, I'm going to come back and we're going to do a taste test. Okay guys, so I am back. So we are going to taste the avocado toast. So here's the avocado toast and my fruit salad. Let me get a piece with, so I can taste the egg with it. Use the crumbs. That's good. I will say though that when I was talking earlier about not using so much oil, I tend to use a little less oil, or sometimes like no oil at all, because I don't really think it's necessary sometimes. But it just really depends on how you like your avocado toast. And then I was saying also about tomatoes. Tomatoes will really be good on this. Also, I usually use the Roma tomatoes. But for just wanting to taste the egg with the avocado, this is just what I opted to do. Try to make it like not so many flavors, just like really simple. But I really love these eggs. It's just really amazing. The brioche bread is a nice touch if you like really thick bread, if that's what you're going for. But I usually use the Ezekiel bread. I really love the Ezekiel bread. It doesn't bother me that it's thinner. I just, you know, prefer it. And then there's other times that I might want a thicker bread. But yeah, this combination is really good. I don't know how other people are doing their avocado toast. I just wanted to chop up my egg and leave it on there. I really like it though. Also, I'll add a few more of the red pepper flakes. Usually go pretty heavy. Well, not so heavy, but heavy enough where you can kind of, you know, see that they're, or you can taste that they're in there. Yeah, but these Wunder eggs are amazing. I mean, they taste exactly like eggs. I'll be purchasing them again. You can get them at Whole Foods or Walmart. I picked mine up at Whole Foods, but I did look online and I saw that Walmart carries them also. So, you know, I'm not 100% sure about that, but it is on their website. So if you shop at Walmart, then you can pick them up there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my avocado toast and my fruit salad. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're gonna try the Wunder Egg. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye guys.